Austin Cox Home Services teaming up with Delmarva Life to give away one of these Rinnai tankless water heaters. It's a $3,500 value.
And here's how you enter to win. Go to delmarvalife.com. On the left-hand side of the home page, you'll find the contest button. Click it, and that'll take you directly to the Austin Cox Home Services Facebook page. Now, all you have to do is like the page and fill out the entry form for the tankless water heater. Good luck.
And speaking of heating you up, something else that settles in just perfectly, especially on a day like this, is a big hearty bowl of chili.
Yeah, now everybody thinks their recipe for chili is the best. Mine is, actually.
Well, mine's a little better than yours, but go ahead.
There's an
Mine's better than both.
Oh, okay, there you go. Well, there's an upcoming cook-off to find out who really does have the best chili. In the meantime, Chef Joe Ewing, who thinks his is the best, and I'm sure it is, from the Heritage at Milford, is going to show us how to make a chili that will be sure to warm us up.
We're going to find out if indeed it's better than ours, Joe.
Let's start off with the ingredients. What do you put in your chili?
Oh, well, we're going to start with some ground beef, and we have some bacon, brown sugar, a little bit of ketchup, diced tomatoes, a couple different kinds of beans, onions, peppers, just your general.
I see garlic over there.
Garlic,
So we have
of
some
course.
garlic
Okay, and then topping stuff. Cool.
and some toppings.
All right, let's get started. I'm hungry now.
All right.
What are we gonna do?
Well, to start off, I already have got the beef brown just so
Okay.
for ease of use. I'm going to get you chopping
pretty-
up the pepper.
I want to mix up the beef. Come on.
All right.
All right. Just make it. See.
Well, don't
Joe's
take
the
away
boss.
all, don't
This
take
way
away all the jobs.
it
I'll do
looks
the
like-
beef, and then you can dice up the bell pepper
Right.
if you'd like.
I'll take the thing out of the middle, right?
Yep, sure.
Okay.
And then over here I have you a couple cloves of garlic.
Okay,
So if you want to chop that up,
okay,
and once you get that together, we can start tossing things together.
okay.
So, Joe, when you do your garlic, do you mash it?
I do mash it a little bit, and if you, well, here,
Oh, am I doing
let me show
this
you.
wrong?
Oh no, you're not doing it wrong. I just want to show you because there's
If you wanna
there's
make-
an easier way.
If you want
See,
to make chili as good as Joe's, you're going to have to pay attention.
I'm
Well,
sorry.
no, I'm just, there's chili.
Oh,
One of the
he's
best thing
mashing
about
it.
chili is that it's supposed to be very easy.
Okay.
And I'd hate for you to have to go through a lot of work.
Okay, I don't.
So if you just smash it down a little bit,
Look at this.
and then you can just
know.
run your knife through it real quick.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not going to take away your job from you, but I just
right.
don't want you to have to go through more effort than you would have to.
Right, right.
What
Now,
am I doing over here?
is this the first time you've been in the chili cook-off, or have you done it before?
Last year was my first year in the chili cook-off, but the chili cook-off, we've been hosting it Heritage at Milford for about 11 years now.
Wow. Were you
See-
nervous?
Oh, no, well, not really. Not really. We kind of leave the cooking up to the local chefs and the chefs wannabe.
Oh, okay.
And they do most of the cooking.
You've
I
seen
pretty
some-
much just oversee the excitement.
You've seen some good chilies come through, though, haven't you?
Oh my gosh, you wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't even believe.
All right, am my dice good enough here?
You're doing pretty good, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So, what else do we do?
Well, we'll start adding some things in. Like I said, once we get the beef browned up,
Okay.
we'll just start adding in the chilies, and we'll add in some of the garlic and the onions, and we'll just get that sweating.
Any particular order? Does it matter?
It doesn't really matter. This is kind of like a one-pot deal, so we'll just kind of toss it all in
Okay.
and get it going.
Are you ready for my garlic?
I'm very ready.
Okay, very ready. Okay.
As soon as you're ready,
That's his
I'm
way
ready.
of saying you've been taking too long. with
No,
that garlic.
no.
That's some good garlic going there. That garlic
Okay.
is almost as good as my pepper here.
What do you
Oh.
think is the
Ready?
key ingredient to chili? I mean, what really makes your recipe come alive?
Well,
Or is it a combination?
well, really, this recipe right here is just a basic recipe. That it's just a good base depending on what you want to do with the chili. So I think we were talking earlier. You like your chili extremely hot.
Very hot.
I
I'm going to
like
move you along here while you're talking. Go ahead. What
I
else
like
do we put
mine a
in?
little zesty, and some people like their sweet. So this is a sweeter recipe.
Okay.
Right.
But
We're
it just
actually-
depends on what you'd like to how you'd like your chili to be.
What goes in next?
Well, next we'll probably toss in the tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
And a little bit of the juice will deglaze the pan, so we have those flavors coming up.
Okay.
And of course, if you would like to get a shopping list and instructions, we have several ways to do it. You can send us a self-addressed stamped envelope to 1729 North Salisbury Boulevard, Salisbury, Maryland, 21801. You can go online at delmarvalife.com, or you can give us a call, 443-880-9116. Let us know you want homemade chili. All right, so
It's
through the
brown
magic
sugar
of
in.
TV, we're gonna get to the finished product here.
All right, you do that because I'm going to finish mixing this up. 'Cause This is
Okay.
looking pretty good over
Oh,
here.
you mean I get to taste
I
and
got
you get to
ketchup
cook?
in.
So this chili here is about been simmering for about 6 hours or so, low on the stove.
Ooh.
When I make this at home, I like to put it in the crock pot just so
right.
then it can get its full 8 hours.
So that long simmer is important.
So a very long simmer, that's the best part of it.
Okay.
And then you have your choice of toppings if you'd like anything on it.
I just want to eat it.
Well, feel free, have at it.
See, I like mine over Fritos. I was telling Joe earlier, I like to lay out a bed of Fritos and then put the chili on top of it.
Very good.
Yeah, and I like mine with Tostitos.
Yeah,
All right,
see?
Joe, thank you
Yeah.
so much. And of course, Jimmy, you're going to taste it in just a few
Yes,
moments.
I
And
am.
still to come on Delmarva Life, we go behind the scenes of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson's home in the hit show, Elementary.
But first, how about a look at what's coming up in the news on the first at 5 on Fox 21 and later on WBOC News at 6. How am I doing here? Good?
Wonderful.